Independence Day, happy Independence Day. Barsa did he spit? Left indicator, no right indicator. But when bro, again the right indicator. किधर से किधर, इधर से उधर. Going to Mangalore. Independence Day, happy Independence Day. Happy Independence Day. Crazy. All buses are decorated very well. See there, the decorations of balloons. Very nice. And every bus is decorated like. Oh, very nice. Beautiful. Modi Parivar Rickshaw Park. Very well decorated. No one can beat the unity of India, guys. Very nice. See all the rickshaws standing there with a beautiful flag hosted. All the vehicles in India, especially the buses, the local bus or the express bus, next level bus decorations. Barney School. Let us speak something about this channel. This channel is a main MotoVlog kind of channel, but I will not plan any kind of rides or like that. The thing, crazy bro. Gurupra. Very nice. The main intention of this channel is just daily observations on the roads. Okay, so mainly I go from my home to Mangalore city. I work in Mangalore after my college at Mother India. It got a flag. Yeah. Why is bus coming like that? Cross bus. I have no plans regarding rides and all because I have a tight schedules and all. So I don't know will it be possible or not. But the main intention of this channel is making a daily observation video, which is like this: the starting from my home and ending to my home itself. But the starting point is my home. Then I go to my college. Okay, the length is about 25 kilometers, I think, from my home to my college, and then back to my workplace, and after that gym, and then I come back at 10 o'clock night. So 10 o'clock night, see the view, guys. 10 o'clock night, same 25 kilometers back to my home. This is my journey, and it will be our journey. The balloons make something good effect, right? The balloons will. Nice. Basically, I want to improve my English. So to improve my English, I want to speak in English. Improving English will help me in my future. And by making this kind of conversation, it may improve my fluency in English. So, which is basically what I need. And there is a less chances of grabbing new words here because I just talk to my mic, to my camera. There is no inputs from them. So there is no any learning kind of things. But what I know till now, what I learned English from my sources, that I can improve it, I can fluent it. Okay, so I can make my grammar correct from this starting video till some 50 or daily observation. If I do 50 daily observation, I can see my growth, I think. let's see. Let's make that video also. Okay, Saint Joseph, you can see this. Very nice, very nice. So we have another one bus coming right there. Jeevan with the balloons. Very nice. One more thing that some people may say, I'm living in Mangalore, and it's not using his native language like Tulu. I'm doing in English because to improve my speaking skills in English for my job purpose. Think for my job purpose. Okay, Vidya Jyoti English Medium School. Man, crazy, bro. Oh, nicely decorated stage. Wow, they're taking pictures. Nice. Some mixtures of languages will be there. No Independence Day? What, bro? Oh, Nishmita, very good. Still working, no holidays. Please make it soon, guys. Development. Oh my god. ये क्या हो रहा है इधर? So here we come to Raymond's PU College, Raymond's institution, which is my college. So Independence Day in college, very nice. Tulu ಒಂಚೂರು ಮಾತಾಡ್ವೆ ಅಂಚನೆ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸಹ ಹಾಗೆ ಕೆಲವೊಮ್ಮೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೋದು. If something happens in the road, I can make a cut and post it in my Instagram channel. You can also check that out, Instagram channel. What? Bro, he's carrying whole municipality in his scooter. That flag. What kind of footrest is that? ಎಂಜಿನ ಮಾತುಂಡ ಎಂಜಿನ ಮಾತು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡದು ಏರೇ ಗೊತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಇಂಚ ಮಾತ ಬಸ್ ಉಂಡು. ವೆರಿ ಗುಡ್. ಬರ್ಸ ಉಂಡು ಗಾಯ್ಸ್. Barsa is there, guys. Did he spit? Did someone spit? ಎಂಚಿನ ಉಬ್ಬಿನ ಮಾತು ದಾದ ಮಾರ ಬಸ್ ಇಡು ಪಿದಾಯ್ಡು ಉಲ್ಲೇರಿ ಏರಾಂಡಲ್ಲ ಅವು ಮತ್ತೆ ದಾದ ಗೊತ್ತಾವ ವಿಚಾರ. Sitting in the bus and spitting, this is not good. Okay, this is one of the master. Here comes the master. Kakich driver. Independence in Kakir. The rain is on the way, and rain will make me Chandi for sure. Rajalakshmi with one flag. Very good. Wow, this is a nice dress, by the way. With one flag. One flag is enough, guys. Nothing makes a difference in decoration and putting one flag. It's good. It's also good that some buses are without flags. Agreed. So, see, I do not have any kind of flags, but I have respect. In my house I do have flag. Left indicator, no right indicator. Okay, only left indicator. Guys, you know what? I have listed some 5 to 6 names and chosen one to this channel. So there was a name left indicator. And I too liked it. Okay, then we chose some other name. But when again the right indicator. Left it, immediate right was Fuck, I just noticed right now. Shaisha Basaranji flag me to the round and very good, very good. NSS, I don't know, but it's fit enough, guys. I have some work in Dubai market. What was it? Flag? No. State Bank, how it looks like. I want to go for State Bank, by the way, not a Dubai market. State Bank, encha undu guys. I think I fucked up. Cut, guys, in the cut, place cut. God, Papa, joke lata. Joke. I horn baadu mare. Royal Enfield show me is very decorative. Ajjar pole. Unto. Wow, beautiful. Rickshaw park again. Yeah, rickshaw park people are very good, bro. Rickshaw park dakalo. Konji program manpir. Konji deepa kotta ade. Dada manpir mara. O kushi happy link. Jayat. किधर से किधर इधर से उधर ये what was that kind of how did they get license? How? There should be something, right? If you are turning to left side, then before the turn comes you should be in a left lane. Here at one side the sports is going on. It's an Nehru Maidana, by the way. Who are from outside Mangalore, just for them it's a Nehru Maidana, and there the sports is going on. In here the flag hosting ceremony already ended, I think. Commissioner of Police. Oh, that sari also looks so cute. That sari looks so cute. Same as balloon. The balloon is like poppy 3D. Sari looks very graphic, very vectorish type we can say. Completed. What is going on? Oh. Bro, seriously? Enjoying, fully enjoying. Let it be, let them enjoy. What is going on in Mangalore? Full dance, full maja, full vibe. Fully vibe guys. Let's see how the railway station is. See there are decorations, rickshaw park. Everywhere guys, rickshaw park salute. Do some program for Independence Day. I love you all rickshaw parks. Every owner of a rickshaw, they are not the richest ones. They are the middle class families. Some may be poor family, come from poor family. They carry their life. They carry their life through rickshaw, earning from rickshaw, and they do such kind of programs like calling a guest and making a flag hosting. They will give sweets to the public.